Hello everyone on the interwebs, my name is Jared and this is my channel Mazda B3K. This video we're going to cover the grille removal for I think anywhere from a 1993 to 1997 Mazda B series truck. Now I'm doing this because I'm converting the front to look like a Ford Ranger because reasons. However, along the way, I can make this video to show folks how to do a remove and replace on their grille if it's cracked and they source a replacement to make things look pretty again. So without further ado, let's get started. This video is going to go quick because I already had to remove the grille as part of pulling this fender off. So I'll show you what you need to do, but basically I've already removed all the screws. There's a screw here, which I actually did screw back in, and you need to get this out of the way so that you can pull the corner light, because behind the corner light are two more screws. For whatever reason, Mazda had a thing about screws in the front. So you get this out, and you've got, get this out of the way, you've got your corner light sitting there, so go ahead and pull it out. And then you have a screw hole here and there, and those need to come out. Over here, the threads are actually broken, so I didn't even do anything. The only thing holding this in is the light. So get your light out, get your corner out. Again, there's a screw here, there's a screw there, and then along the top of the grille, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Along the bottom, there are 1, 2, 3. Oh, there were 4. No, just 3. Okay. So there are 3 along the bottom. And then there is a little skirt of push pins right here. There is one that connects into the fender. That has to be popped out, which I've already done there, as there's no fender. And I already popped it out there. Once you do all of this, the grille comes right off. And reinstallation is the reverse of removal. You do not need to torque these screws very tight at all. You're going through old plastic. If you torque it too tight, it'll snap. I didn't do it, but that's what happened over here, why my corner light was only really held in by the grille and the light bulb itself. So that's about it. Now on the Ford header panel, putting in the grille is really easy. We have 2 cutouts there, 2 cutouts there. They match up with the cutouts here and here. So you go ahead, kind of drop those in. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 screw holes we got to take care of. And we can use the screws that came from when I pulled the B series grille off. We'll go ahead and get that attached. Alright guys, that's going to do it for the grille removal and replacement for the Mazda B series and the Ford Ranger. Hope you enjoyed it. If there's something you like, leave a comment. Something you don't like, leave a comment too, so I know what to improve upon. Also, while you're doing that, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Tell your buddies if you can. That helps me grow the channel so that I can hopefully start expanding the number of vehicles I'm working on, so I can bring more content to you guys. And with that being said, I will catch you guys later.